so here we go. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, it's your birthday. Happy, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, it's Noah's birthday. Happy, happy birthday to you. Okay, so that's a Trevor Noah song instead of the traditional, very boring happy birthday song. So I'm very thankful to your parents for having sex and having you because you brought so much joy to so many people. And I'm going to try to describe some of what you brought to me. I found out about you through my amazing optometrist, and I've been working on vision improvement for many years. But when I was introduced to your program and you, it's changed my life. And I know I've tried to tell you before how it's changed my life, but it's pretty much changed it in every way. My eyes go with me wherever I go. I am always aware, unless I'm unconscious, and sometimes I have to admit I get into big thinking zones and I forget, but then I come back and it's my eyes that lead me, and I've noticed so much more of the world. I look up now when I walk and I notice so many more things. I'm always aware of the sky. I think always of the pirates that you talk about. I love your pirate stories. I've said that before. And I think it's just changed the way and the person that I am. And it's really hard to be definitive about that, but yeah, I'll try to go further. It's definitely improved my vision. I already have a lesser prescription to drive, and yet I know there are some there. I still have work to do for sure. I notice that when on the days when I don't do any sunning, any palming, anything, my eyes suffer for that. And all the things that you've brought to us are just they're life-changing. So thank you so much. I would take any course that you offer, actually, because you're a heartfelt person, and I love that about you. I think you just want to help the world, and that's really what we need right now for this planet. And yeah, so I wanted to say thank you for that video of the young lady that your makeup person. I loved watching her. She was so sweet, and it really helped me to get what you were trying to explain about what we need to do with our eyes. And I'm looking forward to going through this course again, and being reminded of all the things with the new knowledge that I have and the new awareness I have of my vision. And my husband and I never wear glasses anymore when we play tennis, and it's so cool. I never wear glasses when I ride my bike. I have to wear them doing certain things like driving, but it's just, I love the freedom of the feeling of the air and the earth being directly in contact with my eyes, my beautiful eyes that you've made me aware of and learned to love, and that is really remarkable. So thank you to your mom and dad again, and happy birthday, and check out Trevor Noah, his birthday song, because that's where it comes from. It's really funny. Okay, love to you. Bye.